In this video, we'll show you how to filter and bulk edit the prices based on the country or zones for WooCommerce. We have created the price zone called Central America, with the price based on the country for WooCommerce plugin. If we want to edit prices by price zone on hundreds of products, normally we would have to open each of the products and edit them manually. But as we said at the beginning, today we're going to show you how to use the price fields by country as search filters and how to edit hundreds of products at once using an intuitive spreadsheet thanks to the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Before editing the prices of our products by country, we'll use the search tool, which allows you to search for products by keyword, attribute, category, etc. But in this video it will serve us to filter our products using the fields created by price based on country for WooCommerce. For this example, we'll look for all products whose price in Central America is equal to or greater than $20. To do this, we'll enable the advanced filters. Then select the field Central America regular price. The operator we'll use will be equal to or greater than. We'll enter the value 20 here, but you can enter the price you want. Once you've entered the search parameters, run the search to filter all the products that meet the criteria. If you need to search for all the products by country price method, you can easily do it with the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then enter the Central America price method here. The operator will be equal. And we'll search for all the products with the manual price method enabled, so we'll enter manual here. Finally, run the search and all filtered products will appear in the spreadsheet. Now, let's search for all products whose sale price starts on November 1st, 2021. To do this, we will first open our search tool. Then click here to activate the advanced filters. Now let's search for the Central America sale price dates from field here. We'll use the equal operator. And elect the start date here. To finish, run the search. If what you need is to filter all the products by their sale price end date, we can also do it in a very simple way. First we need to open the search tool. After that, click here to activate the advanced filters. Now let's select the field Central America sale price dates too. We'll use the equal operator. In this case, we'll look for the end date December 1st, 2021, so let's enter that date here. Finally, complete the search. Whichever search option you use, you can now proceed to bulk edit the price based on country for WooCommerce fields. We'll start by changing the price method for all the selected products using the powerful bulk edit tool. Next, select the rows you want to update, in this case all the rows in my current search. The field to edit will be Central America price method. Select the edit type set value. Here you can enter exchange rate, or manual. Since the products I have filtered have the manual method, I will enter exchange rate separating the words by an underscore. And we'll execute the change. If you want to change the country sale price for all selected products, you can do it quickly by using the bulk edit tool. Then select the rows you want to update. The field to edit will be Central America sale price. The edit type will be set value. And enter the new sale price here. I'll write $15.99. Finally, we'll execute the change. Now we'll show you how to edit the start date of a country's sale price. We'll change the existing date to November 15, 2021. To do this, let's open the bulk edit tool. We'll update the rows of our current search. The field we'll select is Central America selling price dates from for this example. Choose the edit type set value. and select the new date here. Finally, execute. And the sale price initial date of all selected products will be updated. To finish, let's learn how to edit the sale price end date. Let's change the existing date to December 15, 2021. To do this, open the Bulk Edit tool. I'll select this option to update the rows of our current search. The field we'll select for this example is Central America sale price dates too. The edit type will be set value. And we select the new end date here. Finally, execute, and the selected products will be updated. As you can see, the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin completely simplifies the management of your WooCommerce store. It allows you to find products in different ways with a few clicks and apply bulk changes to all search results. You can save many hours or even days of work by massively updating price fields based on countries for WooCommerce. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.